Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a rag and ribbon American flag for the 4th of July. For the materials, you'll need a ½ yard of red and white and a ¼ yard of blue quilting fabric, a wooden dowel, 4 yards of different types of ribbon and lace, scissors, jute cord, and fabric glue. First, clip the fabric into strips. Then tear the strips. Do the same with the white fabric. After that, loop the strips through the dowel, alternating between red and white. Then space them out to make room for the ribbon and lace. What comes next is up to you. Just start looping different length lace and ribbon over the dowel. Next, cut a piece of the blue fabric to make the stars of the flag. Glue it onto the dowel. Then tie the jute to the ends of the dowel. After that, take one of the white ribbons and cover the dowel length. And that's it! It's so pretty and festive and makes a great conversation piece for the door. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!